Hello, my name is Janet Green. I'm a fifth grade teacher at Baldwin Elementary School in Habersham County. I have a degree in graphic design, and 30 years ago, I was an art teacher in private schools in New Jersey and in New York. At that same time, I started my education degree, but I never finished it because I had children and I decided to stay home and to raise my kids. Throughout the years, I have always been involved in education through church, as a substitute teacher, and recently I was hired as the computer lab paraprofessional at Baldwin Elementary School in 2018. Through a series of amazing events, I was presented with the opportunity to return to college to finish the degree that I never finished. In 2018, I returned to college and finished my undergrad degree, and this past December, I graduated at the ripe young age of 51. Since I'm on this side of life, I decided that I really should probably jump into a master's program as quickly as possible. So I have enrolled in UWG, and this is my third semester, and I'm excited about the STEM courses we are taking. I have survived the first week of school. Now the trick is adding these classes in with my already busy schedule as a new teacher in school. I do have a bit of a head start um, because I am familiar with the school. I know all my colleagues there. I know the school's layout. I know the children because I taught them all. So I do have a bit of a foot up this year as opposed to a new teacher starting fresh out of college, not knowing where she's going or he's going. Some background knowledge about me. I was born in Vermont. I lived most of my life in New Jersey. And we moved to Georgia about 4 years ago after my sons started attending Toccoa Falls College. We're busy people. We don't vacation very much. I live by the Jersey Shore, so I guess some people might think that's a vacation if you like the beach. So we started visiting Georgia and our kids at college, and we were like, wow, it's just beautiful here. And we wondered why we actually lived where we lived. So we shut the door to our New Jersey life and we opened the door to our Georgia life. Georgia is just beautiful and it reminds us so much of the Adirondack Mountains. We are outdoor people. I love nature. I love to be outside. We're kayakers. We're hikers. Well, my boys are hikers. I try to hike, but it doesn't always work out so well for me. I've been married to my husband Floyd for 28 years. My two sons, Christian and Jonah. Christian's 26 and Jonah's 24. Christian married my daughter-in-law Jordan, and I have a beautiful grandson, Jedediah, who is 1 year old. Let's see. I love science. One of my favorite teachers when I think back throughout my education was Mr. Humphrey, my science teacher. And I was lucky enough to have him probably 3 or 4 years through middle school and high school. He moved up with us. So he is kind of my inspiration for science. He made it interesting and fun. And back then, STEM didn't really exist, but somehow he created an atmosphere of learning, um, even even without the STEM program. So I'm really excited for the STEM program and learning how to infuse it into my classroom. My kids are already excited. We're doing some experiments this week. So I'm ready to learn and how to integrate this cross-curricular into my classroom. And I look forward to meeting everybody. I know it's a little hard to see me with my glasses, so there you can see my eyes without the glasses on. So I look forward to meeting everybody, and I'm hoping we all have a great semester, and thank you.